Hey guys, if you're looking for free course and certification from Google and LinkedIn, here we are. Welcome to Code and Box Automation Lab. This is Sherful. Google and LinkedIn, they offer 100 plus free digital marketing certification where you can finish the course and you can get a certification, official certification, where you can show on your resume, you can attach with your LinkedIn profile and so on. So let's go inside. So before we go, this all the maximum course, it's related with the digital marketing certification. So what is digital marketing? So it's refer to the use of digital channel and technology to promote product, service, or brand. It includes a wide range of tactics and strategies, including search engine optimization, or we know like SEO, content marketing nowadays is very famous things, email marketing, social media, we all know the social media marketing, PPC, or called pay-per-click advertising, and more. One of the main advantages of digital marketing is the ability to reach a large and targeted audience in real time. So digital channel allow business to communicate with their customers and potential user, when they're spending their time on online. And this makes it easier for business to reach their targeted audience and deliver personalized marketing messages that are more likely to be effective. Okay, that's a very nutshell, you can say, digital marketing. So we all know right now we're all living in digital era. So the demand and the learning about the digital marketing is huge nowadays. So we have tracked down as many free certification courses that we have seen that recently launched from Google, LinkedIn, and even YouTube. Okay, we'll share those all the links and the subjects. We'll go through very high level some of the courses, and also you can see this at the end. You can get some certification. There will be some assessment. You have to pass that, and then you will receive that free certification that you can add on your LinkedIn profile, you can place on your resume. So let's go. So here we are in our Code and Box Automation Lab page. I will share this link in the below description. So if you go there all the way down, you can find the course categories over here, and you can find that the course right now offering free from Google, LinkedIn, and even YouTube. So let's go one by one, have a very high level idea. So from the Google, if you go, here is a Google Digital Garage. So if you click on there, it will take to you the Google Digital Garage. Over here you can see the online courses, all of them. Here is a found 160 course. Over here it's a mix like a paid and free. So if you select over here free certification, then it will narrow down your 59 courses, right? So one of them, like example over here, fundamentals of digital marketing, like connect with customer over the mobile, promotes a business with content, okay, and land your next job. You can see this is the module. There is how many modules there, like modules 1, and the time is 1 hour. For some of them is 3 modules, and the time is 1 hour. It shows you exactly how long it will take. Over here this one is a little bit longer, like modules 26 modules, and there will be 40 hours, and also it will tell you the including certification. Okay, this is a great place. But on the top, you can see the course coverage, providers like from LinkedIn, Coursera, and those are the the provider, most of the course over here. And but on the top, if you're interested in the more certification, more courses, that you can go and browse the paid certification too. Okay, so that's the one from the Google Digital Garage. So let's close that one, go back to here. Let's go, next one is Google Analytics Academy. Click on there, and it will take to your Google Analytics Academy. and over here you will find top 6 courses that are offered from Google are free. It's completely free. Here is example, the Google Analytics for beginner. If you click on there, it will tell you exactly what about the course, and then you can see there is a this is the high level about the course coverage, the introduction to Google Analytics, then the Google Analytics interface, the basics reports, and the basic campaign and conversion tracking. Okay, so that's the Google Analytic one. Okay, the introduction one. Next, if I go there, let me take you to the next one, and then the Google Advanced Analytics. If you go here, you will find the data collection and processing. This is a high level, the coverage, course coverage, and then setting up data collection and configuration, advanced analytics tools and techniques, right? So where you are going to learn segment data for insight, analyze data by channel, analyze data by audience, analyze data with customer report, and so on. And also it will cover advanced marketing tools. Okay, so this is the course high level. It is a great the course if you're interested to know how all the Google Analytics things works, right? And the next one, it's a Google Analytics for power user. So if you go there, you will see the course coverage. It's an introduction, standard user, and then attract high value traffic, improve site engagement, and improve product performance. Okay, and then so before you start, just go through with the little video and then course overview and see that is the right course for you or not. If it's that, click on register, do the register through your Gmail account, and then start to course. Okay, and the next one, it's a Google it's getting started with the Google Analytics 360. It is very interesting. Okay, it is very powerful Analytics 360 features that are not available in the standard product, and gain insight into how you can benefit from integration with BigQuery, Google Marketing Platform, and Google Ad Manager. So this is like a little bit advanced, but it's give you the it is more powerful. It is more powerful that give you the covers like platform about the Google Marketing Platform products, so the Google Ad Manager, all those things. And then next one is Introduction to Data Studio. So Introduction to Data Studio helps you to learn and practice beginner steps in connecting your data and building Data Studio report. I'm not going to in details up there, so if you click on there, you will go up there, and finally you will see in the Google Tag Manager fundamental. So if you go there, you will see the course coverage. It will give you the starting out with the Google Tag Manager. It means it's a course introduction. Start with a measurement plan, develop a tag implementation strategy, Tag Manager overview. Then next it will cover your setting up Google Tag Manager, and next it will cover your collecting data using the data layer, variables and events, and finally also it will cover you additional tag for marketing and remarketing. Okay, so this is the tag. We know that when you create a blog, we use the different tag. When you create you create a video for YouTube, we also use the tags. Tag is very important marketing strategy. Okay, so how all the tag structure works, you will get more details by covering this course. And it's the good part, it's all of them, all this 6 courses are free. Okay, so that's about the Google Analytics Academy. And then in LinkedIn, okay, click on this link. It will take you to the LinkedIn learning page. So it says LinkedIn now offering you will find over here they are offering above 50 over here. So you can find GitHub code space in 50 plus LinkedIn learning tech courses to get real worldwide development environment. So LinkedIn, they're offering course with the GitHub code space where you can get number of courses are free up until you will see this February 28, 2023. but and later on they may also extend the time, or they will offer some other courses, but there is always some free course they offer. And the LinkedIn work with the GitHub, and the good part is like there will be no settings. Like even though there is some development course you take, like SQL or the Java, Python, or machine learning, you will see that there will be no, it's already they said over here, okay, there is no environment setups, there is nothing. All you need your computer, your internet, and a browser. So they will give you the the cloud-based ready environment, so that you don't have to bother about the environment settings, all those things. You can see over here they said goodbye setup time, hello cloud-based experience. So everything, all of them will be ready. It just you go and start your certification. And this is a great offer from LinkedIn, right? It's it's a LinkedIn certification. Definitely it will add very more value to your resume, your profile. So feel free, find out the exact certification that you are looking for. If you're a programmer, this is more like the programming course, and then finish and use this the holiday times. Okay, so and after there, so even if you find some courses from YouTube marketing too, you can see over here YouTube assist monetization. So if you have a YouTube channel, all this about the monetization. But over here you will find there's a number of tutorials they are offering from YouTube over here. So there is a number of tutorials over here, and this is the the duration each and every. So you will go all of them. You have to register first. After when you start first through your Gmail account, and after that you go all of them. At the very end you have to do an assessment. There is a assessment over here. So if you finish the assessment and you score, I think that's a 75% marks. If you're able to score 75% marks, you will get a certification. Okay, you will get a certification. So that's about the YouTube assist monetization. And then over here you will find more courses from YouTube. So YouTube music rights management certification, YouTube music certification. There is a YouTube content ownership, which is more interesting, the course I believe. So over here you can see the content ownerships, right? You can find over here again, it's this is the pre-course survey. It's optional. This is the assessment that you have to do it at the end to get the certification. But here is the you can see the course description, like the protect your content with copyright. So this is the 15 minutes. So you will go all of them after you, and then this is the copyright. The topic is copyright, and based on that this is the tutorial. And then it's next one is rights enforcement with content ID, and here is all the the courses providing, so that you have to go each and every tutorial, each and every video. The business operation with CMS, and here is all the related tutorials. So after you finish all of them, back to over here, do the assessment. Okay, this is a assessment that you have to must complete to get the certification. Okay, so that's pretty much about the free courses that are offered by Google, LinkedIn, and even YouTube. Go ahead, feel free, browse and find out the certification that's which one is more relevant to you, and get the certifications. It is really good things on your resume. It will added value to your profile. Add the link with your LinkedIn profile and so on. You can do right whatever you want, and browse, come back to over here. So we're working on finding all the free certifications, so that people, they don't have to spend money to buy the course. We'll keep update our offer over here. Whatever I see, find the offer, I will update over here. So come back time to time these sites, and then see this what's other offers available from probably from different other the company they're providing, probably lynda.com, Pluralsight, or probably even Udemy. So we'll add in more free certification and courses over here. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye bye.